Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about a wonderful crystal called Sapphire. Sapphire is a crystal that's been historically used and traditionally was seen as a symbol of fidelity, as a symbol of also loyalty as well. It has a deep dark blue color similar to that of lapis lazuli and sodalite, but this one's very unique, and usually crystals that have a rich deep dark blue shades are very cool. They're very they have a very contemplative energy. They bring out a sense of calm and a sense of wisdom as well, and they're often associated with loyalty, as we said before. So sapphire is a great example of that. And it's, in terms of its crystal formation, it is also known as the one of the second hardest known minerals, and it's also from the same family as ruby, mostly known for its sources of rich blue stones. The sapphire can also be found in other shades like pink, like gold, white, black as well. There's also a type of sapphire called crystal, a star sapphire. A star sapphire basically contains needles of rutile that reflect a six-pointed star in the bright light. And most of the sapphires have been heat treated, unfortunately, and this is used to deepen their color. So if you want to work with a blue sapphire for meditative, for crystal healing benefits, then I highly advise you to either make sure that you buy it from a really good quality crystal seller, or get the raw blue sapphire. That way that's not dyed, and you make sure that it's completely unchanged as well, and it's organic matter. So it's also being used in jewelry, of course, being cut into ovals or round rectangular forms as well. So historically, in terms of its uses, it's mostly famous in Myanmar and Kashmir as well. Sri Lanka also produces the blue sapphire stones up until today. And in terms of its historical use, it was seen as a symbol of fidelity, loyalty, marriage, devotion. It also has an extensive history as a jewel of royalty and high prestige. The British Crown jewels also contain a large sapphire of royal blue. In terms of its healing benefits, it's associated with the throat, the third eye, and the crown chakra. The zodiac signs that it's kind of good for, as it said, if people follow the zodiac signs and crystal healing, it's mostly great for people that are Libra, Sagittarius, and Virgo. In terms of the affirmation that's used with sapphire in meditation, is usually goes like this: my actions are guided by wisdom and awareness. And you can basically use the crystal to help in communicating with your inner truth. Allow the deep blue color in sapphire to guide you to your own path of awareness. And it can also be applied on the forehead to bring emotional balance, or to guide your thoughts to the present moment if you feel like you're being stuck in the past, or really stuck in the future tense and always planning for the future rather than being in the present moment. And it's also said to strengthen the kidneys and the heart area as well. So I hope you found this video